Here is how to assemble Crafty Little You's the 3 pedestals. In this first rectangle, you are going to receive 3 squares without a hole and 3 squares with a hole. In those holes, there will be some wood left over. Just pop those out. And then we're going to glue these together with Gorilla wood glue, and you're just going to make sure the squares with holes are right in the center of the squares without holes. This is the base for the pedestals. Then you're going to get 3 pedestals. You'll get 1 large for the middle and 2 small for the sides. Okay, now we're going to get the overlays for the pedestals. So you'll have a large overlay and 2 small ones for the small ones, and then 2 large lines to go across the pedestals like that, and then you'll have 4 small ones to go on the smaller pedestals. And we are going to grab our wood glue again and glue those all together. For this video, I just used hot glue so everything would be in place so I can show you. For this video, I am gluing together an unfinished kit, but make sure you paint it first. And then you'll put those pedestals in just like this, and the tabs will fit right in. Okay, now we're going to grab the other rectangle, and these have rectangle pieces. So you're going to pop out the extra wood that's in the middle, and you're going to receive 3 rectangles, 2 small and 1 large, and these all have 1 square cut out of the middle. The large one is going to go onto the large pedestal. Put some hot glue on it, and then you're just going to pop that on just like this onto that middle pedestal. And then you're going to do the same thing with the small pedestals. And that's what it's going to look like so far. Now we're going to grab our rectangles with the 2 squares in it. You'll have 1 large for the large pedestal and 2 for the small. And you are going to glue it over the rectangle with the square in it, and make sure at least one of those squares are lined up to the other square on it, just like this. Okay, and that is how you put together your 3 pedestals from Crafty Little You. Here are some fun change outs that we offer throughout the year for times and seasons of the year.